Hey everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I'm very excited because I have something fun to show you. There's also going to be 3 kits this week, one of them being a pop mystery, some random foil items, some characters, some doodles, all the things. So let's go ahead and get on into it. So first things first, let's go ahead and go through the characters for this week. So the first character is 130, which is Scrooge. And then we have 131, which is Snoopy. And then 132, which is Frosty the Snowman. And then we'll go into the random foil items I have. I accidentally ordered these. We're just going to go ahead and list them. They're the larger Once More with Love icons in Gold Hollow, Champagne Lights, and Matte Silver. So I will be stocking those in the shop on Wednesday. I also have a foil bundle for this week. I think Kirsten might have already used this one already, but it's a really pretty navy blue confetti. Like the style is confetti, but it's like a navy blue. It's like a more cool toned, like leaning purpley blue. I think it's so stinking pretty. So you get the 2 pages here with the full box overlays and the glitter header overlays, the bougie boxes, the icons and scripts along with the bottom washi, which is where you can really see that gorgeous, gorgeous color. I think this will go with a lot. Oh, she's sparkly. I didn't even realize she was sparkly till I turned the lights on. These studio lights, they really make a mess of it all. So this is a sparkly blue. Okay. And it's a really pretty sparkle. It's almost like a flecking versus like a little teeny tiny dots, if you can see that. Wow. Okay. I have ideas now. Oh my goodness. It definitely reminds me of like Midnight. So I'll probably just call it like dark blue or something like that. But my goodness, she is pretty. So that is the foil bundle for this week, which will be on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday. So definitely pick it up during that. The next thing that I have to show you is something a little bit different, but I was like, you know what I really need? I need Christmas doodles in different colors because most of the times when I release things, I release them in the colorway that's like all of my doodles, which is like the pastel. Let me show you these. And obviously there's a lot of colors here, like darker colors missing. I do find that usually those like have a match in them, but I just wanted some more like different colors. So this is going to be available as a bundle. So like when I do a fall or summer or whatever type of scribbler where it's the same page in different colors, and this will be available as a bundle. So basically I went through my holiday kits and I was like, all right, what colors do I think we need? So the first one here is red, and there are 2 different reds in here. And I'll show you the icons because it is similar to this page. Let me show you this one. But I did change out some of the icons. This is 241. So if you want like a classic Christmas that has like multiple colors in it, 241, I think there's a couple of other pages, have some different options as far as colorways go. But I did change up some of the icons on here. So some of them are the same, like these ones are the same, but then there are some that are switched up. So let me give you a little bit of close-up of what is included. So you have tons of different things to mark different holiday events. And this just has the one color on it. There is like little accents, like on the leaves here are green. And then you have like the like cream yellow color and then like the skin tone here and here. So varies a little, but not a ton. So it will match your spread. So I did 2 different reds. So you have a more like classic brighter red and then a darker red. Then I also did 2 different greens. So I did do a brighter green and then a more muted kind of like farmhouse modern green. Then I also did 2 pastel colors for all of the pastel kits. So this is a light blue and then a light pink. And then I also did 2 glittery colors. So we have the silver glitter and the gold glitter. And then I just did a couple of more like neutral, but colors I thought would really work. So I did do a black for all kits that have black in them. There's a lot of modern ones that have black in them. And then there's a couple spooky ones that have black in them. And then navy, I was thinking kits like the, not Night Before Christmas, the Carol kit has a navy in it, and I know there's a couple of more holiday kits with navies, and then also a more like nudish tan color and a very light gray. So I feel like that encompasses most of the colors in Christmas time, and also just a good variety to have. I will be just pairing these up with different kits that I have, and they will be available from Wednesday through Sunday, and they will be available available only in bundle form, which I just think this is so fun and will be great for years to come as well. I actually might need maybe like 1 or 2 more of these. So that is going to be the Christmas Doodle sampler. And then let's go ahead and get into the kits for this week. The first one here is birthday art. So this one is Cool Birthday. So this is that Kittenish Jess birthday art in the cool colorway. She did just release a Christmas colorway. Let me know if y'all need that. I wouldn't be able to do it until after Black Friday, but I could do it if you guys need it. And I think it's super cute and I love the colors. I think that'd be so fun with like sparkly gold. But this one is the Cool Birthday, which I feel like is obviously very anytime, but also very much so leans into the winter with the blues. I think you could do some like snowflakes with this if you wanted it to be more wintry, and I just think it is so stinking pretty. I even think like the peppermint underlays from Plan a Hannah would be really cute if you wanted to make it more Christmassy as well, like Christmas winter. So stinking cute. I love this one so much. So that is the ultimate kit, and I love all of these different colorways. So that is the ultimate kit. There is also the mini kit, of course, and then there is add-on options. So you do have the add-on for the Doodle, the functional, ombre, label, and then there is also fam options. So you have fam 1, 2, I just washed dishes so my hands are really like wrinkly, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So again, that is Cool Birthday, but also be really pretty for the spring with the green. Lots of options here. So that will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. And then the last kit before we get into the pop mystery is going to be Nordic Lights, which is really gorgeous for the winter time. I love the like monochromatic almost green. There is like a gray in it, but it's just so pretty. I feel like you could even pull in like a more like bluish, like a dark bluish foil into here. Would be really pretty. A matte silver. You could do a green. You could do a mint. You could do sparkly hollow, be really fun with this one, but very cozy, beautiful. Love these scenes, perfect for quotes. And I just love these colors. You have the fireplace, the chunky sweater. I loved these patterns that are all kind of like sweater materials. And then you have the extra box and the bottom washi and date headers, along with the extra boxes, which has the cinnamon roll in it, which is so stinking cute. I love this, and I definitely will be using this in January. I think or even silver would be really pretty. I might use silver, but I also think matte silver would be really pretty. Maybe I'll do like a mix of matte silver and regular silver. I think that could be cool. Also comes in a mini kit. There is also add-on options, of course. You have the Doodle, you have the functional, you have the label. There is also the ombre, and then there is fashion. So fashion does have like an extra box with a suitcase, and then a tall and a normal size box fashion option. And then there is also fam. So there is fam 1, fam 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that is everything for Nordic Lights. And I think, again, this is just so gorgeous. I feel like whenever a spread has like mostly one color in it, I think it always looks so like stand out gorgeous. And I think, like I said, foil, I think I might do silver and matte silver with this. I just think that that'll be a really pretty combo. And against all these darker green colors, I think the silver will really pop. So that is Nordic Lights. And if you do not want to see the pop mystery, click away. The pop mystery will be available though Wednesday through Friday. If you want to see the pass by, I'm going to do it right now. Nope. And I'll give you time to click off. Thank you so much for watching. But if you want to see the full flip through of the pop mystery, just keep on watching. So let's go ahead and go into this. This is Dorothy, and this was requested, I think, by Hannah. I feel like it was. And I love The Wizard of Oz because I love Wicked, and I think that this turned out so stinking pretty. I'm definitely going to use this. I think this is giving heavy March vibes because I still am stuck in the days where green is March. March green. Also, just could be cute in summer, I feel like, because the colors are brighter. I think this would be really fun to pull out some rainbow foil or a sparkly red, or even this blue does match pretty well to the blue in the kit. Or we have the red and blue mixed metal, which would be really pretty with it. I don't know personally if I would do green, considering how much green is in the full boxes. But if you're going to ask me, Andrea, what do you think you're going to do right? Oh, another one that'd be really pretty is Gold Hollow. That would be a stunner with this one, or matte silver or silver or gold. But if you're asking me, Andrea, what do you think you're going to use? Like, if you had to choose right now, I'd say sparkly red. I think sparkly red is going to be so fun with this. Ruby slippers. I think that it's not only matches the red in the kit, which we do have. We just came out last week with like the confetti red in the confetti foil bundle, confetti version 2. But I think not only does it match the red, but I think like ruby slippers, I just think it makes sense. And I just love the way that this turned out. I think it's really, really cute. And I kind of need some quotes for this. I think that would be really, really adorable. Like maybe some quotes for them. And I don't know. I feel like I might need a lot of quotes and then just have them like kind of tiny underneath. So cute. But you have your scenes. You have some character. You have Dorothy there, which is just adorable. You have the like the Wizard of Oz like scene where he's like behind the curtain. I know it might be a spoiler, but if you haven't seen the Wizard of Oz, I can't help you there. Then you have the clip art, which there is a ton of it here, and I just am obsessed with these colors. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And then you do have the Wicked Witch under the, what was the Wicked Witch or the Wicked Witch's sister underneath the house with her slippers sticking out. But I think it turned out so stinking cute, and I'm so excited to use it. And I feel like a lot of it also is the colors of this is really pretty. The extra boxes in the Ultimate and Mini is the witch as well as the flying monkeys. In my mind, though, the Wizard of Oz is just Wicked. Like, I just love Wicked so much. So there is that. Also comes in a mini kit, of course. And then add-on options, you do have the label, the doodle, the ombre, as well as the functional. Obsessed. Let me know what foil colors you're going to use down below, but this one's going to be a really fun one to use. I might honestly just use it in the summer because even though, okay, it was giving me March vibes, but I feel like March is also in next year as far as my lineup goes. I feel like it's very woodsy. So I'm honestly thinking this might be a start of August or a July kit. Like, it's kind of giving me summer vibes with the colors. So let me know what you think down below. You can use rainbow, you can use sparkly red, you can use matte silver. What are you going to use? I need to know. So that is everything for this week. All these releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Don't forget that this is only available Wednesday through Sunday. And also the Christmas Doodles are only available. The bundle is only available Wednesday through Sunday as well. And then while you're there, the foil bundle, the sparkly blue, which I feel like is really unique, is going to be available on special pricing. So it would be a good time to pick that up. Also, we are kind of running out, well, we're kind of like mid-month for the tiered freebies for this month. And I think that that is everything that I have to tell you. And I hope you like this week's releases. I'm very excited. I'm definitely going to be using all of these kits in the future. And yeah, I think that's all. And I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.